y'all. Good morning, and welcome back to my channel. If you are returning and if you are new, welcome. So sorry for the noise, but I am doing up some last minute Mother's Day gifts. Today is Saturday, the day before Mother's Day, and I just got a few orders. It's hard to turn down orders, especially for mothers. And I'm getting ready to go out of town shortly. So while I'm cutting the stuff in my Glowforge, I'm going to open my trim box because I haven't opened my May trim box yet from Johnson Plastic. So let's see what kind of goodies they gave us this month. Let's just see. And again, if you're not familiar with this, it's the trim box from Johnson Plastic. It's Sublimation blinks. And the trim box is $40 a month, $40 plus tax for shipping. And it comes out the end of every month. You have to subscribe to about a 15th of the month to get the box. You have to subscribe about a 15th of the month to get the box for the following month. So this paper, they always give you this paper and tells you what's all in it. And they also give you a coupon code. So of course I will leave this coupon code in the description below. The only thing about the coupon code is it is only valid for the items that is in this box. So let's see what we have. So this is a 12-ounce enamel mug. For some reason I feel like I have one of these already. Oh, it's green or something. Teal. So this is a 12-ounce enamel mug. I've never sublimated on a mug that wasn't white, but all these items can be sublimated on. So that's that. This is a 12-ounce stainless steel can insulator. I think I had one of these in my last box, or it may not have been, or it might not have been this size. So this is the can insulator. It is, what did I say, 12 ounces? Yeah, 12 ounces. So you can put a can down in there, basically. Keep it cool. Okay. Oh, this is, I'm not sure, but it's 4 of these. This is coaster. This is marble coaster. It's a marble coaster, and it has a cork back. What do you think? So on marble. So, and then we have, this is like some burp cloth. Yeah, it's a Subli Plush burp cloth, 10 by 20. So this is good for babies. So we have this. Money Box Dark Natural Shadow Money Box. I don't know. Let's see what this entails. It says it is a shadow bake box. Oh, so you put your money down in there. Okay, that's cool. You can take your money out from right there. You sub on this part, and I'm gonna assume you. Oh, you put this inside, so you can take the back off. At least that's what it looks like on the picture. You take the back off, you sub on this, and then you put it on the inside. Okay. So that's cool. Cool. And then we have a hanging sign. White coated wood square hanging sign. So I guess you sub on this part. You sub on this part, you put it here. I'm guessing. Well, that's done. That was loud, as usual. And Apple Watch band. So it's a Apple Watch band. I didn't know you can sublimate on this. I didn't know you can sublimate on this, but I was gonna get some watch bands because I know I can engrave on them with my Glowforge, but I didn't know you can sub on watch bands. So I have a watch band. So those are the items that's in this box. I'm not impressed by this box either, honestly. I don't know, y'all. I don't even know how much longer I'm going to continue to get these boxes because I haven't been using any of the things that come with it. And I don't know. I don't really like a lot of stuff that comes with it. I guess that's why I haven't been using it. But anyway, that is this month's training box from Johnson's Plastic. Again, if you want to subscribe to the training box, I'll leave a link in the description below. It's $40 a month plus tax. Shipping is free. You have to be subscribed by the 15th of the month, and you normally get the box. They normally send a box out around like the 26th of the month, which is technically they send it out at the end of the month, so it's technically the box for the next month, and it's always a coupon code. So I will also leave this coupon code in the description below where you can save 15% off on the items that's in this box only. So until next time, I'm about to go fix my hair. I got a blowout and the struggle. So I'm about to go fix my hair so I can get ready to go on a trip. I'm actually going to a comedy show this weekend. So yeah, I'm about to get ready to do that. So until next time, y'all have a great day. And if you are a mother, happy Mother's Day to you. Don't let those kids get on your nerve this weekend. It is all about you. So until next time, y'all have a great day.